Welcome. Today we will see about input output statements in Java. When we install Java on our computer system, the Java environment gets set up on our local machine. This Java environment is categorized into two broad categories. First one is JDK, that is Java Development Kit. This is nothing but one folder or directory where all tools are available like Java compiler, Java interpreter, Java debugger, applet viewer, etc. Second category is JSL, that is Java Standard Library, or it is also known as a API, Application Programming Interface. The library in Java is known as APIs or packages. This library again categorized into two types, predefined or system defined or built-in library, which is given by the Java developers. And second, we can create our own library. Now, this library, which is known as a package in Java, is nothing but the one big program, you can say, or it is a collection of classes, another package, which is again a collection of classes. Now, see example. The predefined library of Java is available under one main package, that is Java package, and all the ready-made packages which are available or given by the developers are available under Java package, that are IO input output, util for utilities, net for networking, lang for language, AWT for Abstract Window Toolkit and Applet. These two packages are used while designing graphical user interfaces. Next on, now for basic input output functionality, we need functions to display message on the screen and to read input from the user. Now we will see what we are going to need. For that, we need to include Java package. Under that, we need to have a sub package, that is IO input output. This IO package is nothing but the collection of many classes. I have mentioned here only few, but it is a collection of many classes like system, data input stream, buffer reader, pushback reader, input stream reader, etc. We know that when we have written programs in object oriented programming languages, classes are nothing but the collection of methods where we write our functionality, what we want to perform, which task we want to write. So, we will see this system class and data input stream class and their methods that we are going to use for input output functionality. Now, we will see the program. Now, how to write a Java program by using input output function. Now, suppose my problem definition is read two numbers from user and display addition. For including library in our Java program, we need to use import keyword. Now for input output we need IO package which is available under Java. So I am writing java dot io dot. Now as I said, IO package is again a collection of classes, another package or interfaces. So in IO package, which class we want? So if we know the name, we can directly write the name of class here, or we can simply write star. It means we want all the classes and all the functions available under IO package, which is available under Java. Now we need to define our class. Suppose I am writing class with name add. Now we have to write main method in Java, that is public static void main in bracket string array opening curly bracket. Now for addition of two numbers we have to display a message as a title. Whenever we want to display a message on the screen, or monitor, we need to have the print or print ln method, which is available under system class of IO package. So in println, we have to mention the message that we want to write in the double quotes. But in any object oriented programming language, we should not call the method without object. We need the object of class in which that method is written. So println method is of system class. For that, we need to have object which is defined or given by default with the name as out, and we call method by using object dot println. So it means system is a class which is available under IO package, and system class out object is given by default. I mean to say, the name of object is given by the library or language itself. We cannot have another name over here to call the println method. So this is the output statement in Java. System.out.println, where system is the name of class, out is the object, and println is the method. Now, for addition of two numbers, we have to give message to the user that enter a number. So again, I will write system.out.println enter first number. So after number, the user obviously will type a numeric character keys in the keyboard on the keyboard. So we have to read that. For reading, we have read line method of one class which is available under IO package. Now, for calling this method, we will need the object of that particular class. So we will create that object over here. So whenever you want to read input from user in your any Java program, after main method, you have to create object of that class. For reading input from user, we create object of data input stream class, no space DIS capital, and the object is created like this. Class name, object name is equal to new, again class name. So our class name is data input stream, and in bracket we have to mention that from where we want to read the input, from the keyboard or from another file, likewise. So now I want to read the input from the user, so I have to mention that system dot in. Now you can relate this, we can relate these two words. System.in means we want to read input from user, and here we had written system.out. It means we want to display message on the system standard output device, that is monitor. Now this class data input stream is having read line method, which is used to read the line of text from the user. So now we have created the object of this class, so we will call method by using d.readline. Now as I said, read line, the name itself says line. It means it will read the line of text as a string. So whatever we will read, we have to take that into one string. Suppose I have declared one string type of variable n1 where I want to store this d.readline. So it means whenever I will display a message, enter first number, and if user types any number, that will be read as a string, and we are storing that into the n1 variable which is of string type. But we want to perform the addition. So for performing addition, I have to convert this n1 which is string, we have to convert that it into a integer type of value. So again I take one variable int a where I want the value from integer dot parse int in bracket n1. What it means, we have n1 value which is string. We want to convert this string into an integer number, and that we want to save in the a variable. Now these two lines we can combine into a one single line. Let's see. After reading first number, we have to read the second number. So again, I am displaying message by using system.out.println enter second number. Here we can write these two lines into a single line. Int b is equal to, I have declared variable and initializing that at the same line, integer dot parse int in bracket d dot read line. So our task will be reduced. Whatever will be read from the keyboard is treated as a string that will be converted into the integer value and will be saved into b variable. Okay, integer is the class which is available under IO package, and parse int is the method of integer class. This method is static, that's why it is called using class name, which convert the mentioned string into a integer number. Now we can perform the addition. We can declare the variables immediately after main, or we can declare the variable on the same line where we are reading the input. So in C, I want the addition of A plus B. Now the addition is done. Now we have to display the output. So system.out.println, we can display the message addition is equal to, and our answer is in C variable. So we will use plus as a separator between message and variable. So it will print the value of C variable. Save the program by closing main bracket and closing bracket of class. Save the program where our Java programs are saved. C program files, under that Java JDK bin. We have to give the name of class over here to save the Java file, add.java. Now I have saved the file. We need to compile the program and run the program. For compilation, we have to go to the path where our Java is installed. So we are jumping to the directory where our Java is saved. Here we have a Java compiler. So first stage of Java compilation, the syntax is name of Java compiler, that is Java C, name of file, that is add.java. This Java compiler will compile the code and it will display the errors if there are any errors. Otherwise, the prompt will be displayed. This Java compiler convert the source code into bytecode. Enter. Now there are exceptions. Runtime errors are known as a exception. Java is known as a robust language because it supports the exception handling. It means if we don't have errors at compile time, but when we run the program, for example, if I want number from user, and if by mistake the user has typed the character key, the program will be terminated abruptly, abnormally, and there may be possibility of data loss or system crash. So in Java, all these predictions were done by the developers, and Java provides the exception handling mechanism so that our program should not terminate abnormally, our data should not loss. So such type of exceptions are handled by giving this alert. So input output kind of exceptions may occur. So error is given at read line, read line. So as I said, ki whenever we are reading from user and if wrong input is entered by the user, the program will get terminated. So it is alerting us that we should take care of this exception in advance. So suggestion is, whenever you have read line function in your program, just write throws exception in your program in front of method. Save the code and save the code. Again compile the code. Now there are no errors. The compilation is done. Now we have to run the file, second stage, and that is done by using interpreter. The name of Java interpreter is Java. We have to give the file name, add, enter. This has shown a message welcome, and we have been asked to enter a first number. First number is 4. It is asking for second number. I have given the second number as a 6, and now the message is addition is equal to 10. So this was the demonstration of input output statements in Java. Hope you have liked it. Thank you for watching.